What happened to American? You liar! All America liar! Our Turkish American! All baby small inside the Kurdish die! No somebody talk in the Erdogan! What about the people? What about you?
Hey, watch out.
If you go inside the country, hurt the people! All small baby small! All Kurdish die inside the country!